What is it? Oh no, we're expecting something today. Oh, it's the DHL. Man, this is great. Wow, all three. Woo! I was expecting just one today, but yeah, they are quick. They made it happen. Oh, did we just get the Ks5's too? Holy smoke. Triple down. Look, it's almost as tall as he is. Baby. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, this is absolutely fabulous. I'm excited. Wow. Thank you so much. Boom. Wow. Thank you. Have a great day. What? I got work to do. It isn't going to be today. It's going to be tomorrow. Man, I've got